Hey, what's up guys, my name is RumaanArt and welcome back to Deep First. So first, let me give you a brief summary what I'm about to give you in this video. Information about NCA, NCA admissions 2020, tips about test and the interview, and and most importantly, past papers. So stick right to the end because that's gonna help you because it helped me inshallah. So why am I doing this?
Guiding others to a treasure I cannot possess.
Actually, I did possess it because I'm in NCA, so it's 50% true. So, what is NCA? So, National College of Arts is one of the most oldest institute of art in Pakistan. Built in 1875, an architect name was Gangaram. काफी ज़्यादा बड़े पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट इस इंस्टीट्यूट से निकले. For example, नैयर अली दादा, सईद अख्तर, अली ज़फर, and many more, और जिनको आप जानते भी होंगे. So logically, it is the best institute to get in, but it's not so easy to get admission in this institute. हर साल thousands of students apply, and only a few hundred get in. So let's talk about NCA admission. So departments you can choose are architecture, visual communication, film and TV, fine arts, textile, ceramic, musicology and cultural studies. So admission hoga this. There will be 3 tests and then an interview if you pass the test. Drawing, aptitude, math, interview. So normally you can download the admission form from their website or you can pick it up from the campus. फिर आपने required documents attach करके, documents को fill करके, admission form को fill करके campus में ही जमा करवाने होते हैं. Along with the fee, you can apply in as many departments as you want, but there will be a fee. But remember that you have a good reason to explain if and when they ask you in the interview. You can also apply for the Rawalpindi campus along with the Lahore campus in the various departments. हर साल टेस्ट कैंपस में ही होता है. अलग प्रोविंसेस से जो बिलोंग करते हैं उनका रिस्पेक्टिव वो खुद बताते हैं कि कहाँ पे उनका सेंटर बनेगा. पर इस बार कोरोना वायरस कोविड-19 की वजह से आई एम नॉट 100% श्योर कि क्या टेस्ट नॉर्मली होगा कैंपस में या ऑनलाइन टेस्ट होगा. For the best, you should ask them yourself. Go to their website, link is in the description, and call them and make sure of it. So my tips for you for the test. Let's talk about drawing. For drawing, just practice daily. This is the most important tip. At least make 1 to 2 still life drawings daily. Because mostly still life drawing ही आती है. Figure drawing भी आ सकती है, but that was so long ago. So mostly still life आती है. For example, last time एक bicycle आई. उससे पहले they told us to make shoe of yourself, one of yourself and one of your neighbor. And make a composition of it and draw it. What matters most in this drawing test is the line work, composition, observation, and then at the last, shading or rendering. Bring a board and importantly 2B pencil. Don't smudge, especially with your hands. अपनी drawing को पूरी sheet पर manage करना है. ना कि इतनी बड़ी बनानी है कि वो sheet से बाहर निकले और ना ही इतनी छोटी बनानी है कि बहुत ज़्यादा breathing space हो. For example, like this. And just keep practice. Now let's talk about aptitude test. In this test, basically आपकी general knowledge matter करती है. For example, NCA कब बना, artist कौन निकले NCA से, इस वक्त बड़े artist कौन है, आपकी field से related artist कौन है, पाकिस्तानी artist कौन है. For example, last time 2 question मुझे याद हैं कि मोना लिसा किसने पेंट की, लियोनार्डो दा विंची, and where is Eiffel Tower in Paris. So basically general knowledge question जो कि हमें पता होने चाहिए about especially about arts, architecture and these stuff. Secondly, practice writing essays. Essay writing is very important. Anything related to creativity can come. For example, last time there was 2 boxes and we had to make जो भी हमें नज़र आ रहा है. We had to make something out of it. जो भी हमें नज़र आ रहा है. This is an example of last time what I did. Be rational, be creative and think twice. Math. So 9 to 12 का math का test होगा, उसके ही derivation, integration. If you know and practice, you know. Honestly, I don't know. अब हम बात करते हैं interview की. Interview आपका तब होगा जब आप test clear कर लेंगे. Interview में first of all be confident, लेकिन over confident नहीं हो. जो वो पूछते हैं वो उसका answer देना है. अगर किसी चीज़ का answer नहीं आता, just say no, I don't know. Don't try to make up things and give a wrong answer. आपको अपनी फील्ड के बारे में काफ़ी नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. For example, अगर आप visual communication में apply कर रहे हैं तो you should know about graphic designing, logos, banners, posters, ads, whatever is related to that field. Who are the biggest designers, who is your favorite designer and why. For example, last time they asked me a question of Apple's logo and why is there a byte in it. Answer is that the byte is actually a byte which is considered in computer language. If they ask you to sing, just sing. अगर बुरा गाते हो कोई मसला नहीं. If they ask you to dance, dance because I did. Be yourself, become. तो अब बात करते हैं past papers. So I happen to have Aptitude and Maths past papers. Actually, they help me a lot to understand the exact format of NCA test. तो इंशाल्लाह आपको भी help करेंगे वो. So comment down below if you have any problem regarding the test or any questions. अगर past paper चाहिए तो please subscribe, like, share, and then DM me on my Instagram. The link is in the description. And this is my Instagram. Yeah, this is and I'm just glad to help. I am really. That's it. Dahar.